ABC are in AP, then B is actually said to be B is the arithmetic mean, as in the average. Arithmetic mean of A and C is what we say. So B is actually equal to A plus C by 2. This is called the first arithmetic mean. This is called the first arithmetic mean. Like if you've got any two numbers like A and B, and in between, so the idea is that if there are two numbers, and in between, if you insert some numbers like A1, A2, up to say n comma B. So if you insert any numbers between them and then they become AP, then what happens is we call that A1 to ANS, A1 to ANR, we call it the arithmetic means. We call them an arithmetic means, okay? This is what we call an arithmetic means. The idea is, so they are introduced between these two numbers and now these numbers are in AP. That's what is the idea, right? So with this concept, we'll do this question. Now between this 1 and 31. So they've given me the number 1, and then there is M arithmetic mean they're introducing A1, A2 to AM, and then 31 are in AP. Now if we look at this 31 and 1, how many terms are there? There are totally M here, M terms, and then there is 1 over here, 1 over here. So totally M plus 2 terms are there. Then if I'm talking about A M plus 2, what I'm trying to do is that finding out the common difference using the from the last term. So I'm saying that A M plus 2 will be actually equal to A plus M plus 2 minus 1 into D. 31. What is my first term, which is 1? What is my M? I don't know. And this is M minus 1 into D. So using this 30, I can find out my D is 30 upon M minus 1. So this is what is my D. Now if I found out D, then I can find out any term. So now seventh mean. So if first mean is there, that is second term. If second mean is there, that is third term. So if they are talking about seventh mean, there that means that we are talking about eighth term. So we have to look at eighth term. This is A7. A7 is actually A8. Okay. So we have to do A plus 7D, which is A is 1, 7 into 30 by M minus 1, which is gonna be M minus 1 plus 210 upon M minus 1, which is gonna be M plus 209 upon M minus 1. Okay, then they are talking about AM minus 1, which is gonna be my AM term, which is gonna be A plus M minus 1 into D, which is gonna be A, which is 1, M minus 1 into 30 upon M minus 1. That will be, how come? This is M plus 1. This is M plus 1. So this is M plus 211 upon M plus 1. So this is M minus 1 into D, which is 30 upon M plus 1. Okay, then I'll get M plus 1 plus 30M minus 30 upon M plus 1. Okay, which gives me what? It gives me 31M minus 29 by M plus 1. So if I do this ratio A8 to AM, I get it. M plus 211 divided by 31 and minus 100. So the denominator will get cancelled, so I'm not writing it down. You can write it down, which is equal to 5 by 9. Using this, we can find out M, which is 9M plus 211 into 9, which is equal to 31 into 5M minus 29 into 5. Okay, so this is going to be equal to 9M. It's going to be equal to 9, 9, 1899, which is good. This much 155M. That is also good. Okay, we'll see what happens. So this comes this side. So 1899 plus 155M minus 9M. This is gonna be equal to 8. 8. Take it.
So we got 2044, and here we got 146, sorry, 146. 146 M. M is gonna be 2044 upon 146. So let's see. 146, 2044, 146. इससे क्या 4 या 5 4 56 4 6 is 14. With all this big castle, we've got m equals to 14.